All right, so in this video, this is the one of a couple for AWeber here. We're going to walk through how to integrate AWeber with AEvent and some of the things that you can do with it over these next couple of videos. Well, of course, first you would need to be logged into your account, and then you want to go over to integrations. Now, I've mentioned on having a spreadsheet handy just to be able to copy your login information and stuff from, or your APIs. So that's what we'll do here, because with AWeber, it is an OAuth integration. So all you're going to need is your login and password to be able to integrate AWeber into AEvent. So you can find it in the integrations. You'll be able to add tag, move subscriber to a list, and then if you wanted to, delete the subscriber right from AEvent as well. Add the integration. Name it what you want, how you're going to keep an eye on it in your list. And then you can machine on a robot and allow access. And there we go. You can see the change in the back. Here's our AWeber connection right here. If we wanted to test it, we've got a successful test. So now what we can do is go over to the timeline that we want to add AWeber to and start setting up our actions. And if you want to set up an on registration trigger, we can do that as well. You can. So what we'll do is we'll go over to timeline, and I'll show you how to add it to the timeline now. It is loading up here. And click on integrations. And now you'll see in the list now AWeber. Now once it's toggled on, you can click on settings here, and then we can select a list. You can go and do a new list, enter tag. This one here can be on reg. And then if you wanted to carry over any specific fields, this is where you would select them. If you don't see a field already that populates here, you can create single fields, or you can create the system fields, which the system fields is what you do see here ultimately, is it'll just create all the common data that is used to be brought over. But if you see something that's not here, you can create the single field here as well. And then when you come in, then you can come in, make sure it's check marked, and then find out where the join links are. That's under the registrant info. And now when they come in to AWeber, they'll be added to this list, and they'll have this value with them as well. So that is, and you want to click up update settings, and that is integrating AWeber with AEvent and getting up your registrations onto a list for you when they register for this event. In the next videos coming up, we're going to show you how to add the tag on timeline actions, do the subscriber move, and delete as well. And if you have any questions at all, you can always reach out to support. As always, we've got the bubble down here. You can message us directly here, or we can go and with the help, you can search for help up here as well. We probably have the documentation already made on it, so you can try to search that way as well. But that is how you get a hold of us. You can like, subscribe, so you know when new videos do come out about AEvent, anything integration, and all that kind of stuff. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.